Crude oil attempting to recover. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The West Texas Intermediate crude oil market has rallied a bit from the bottom as we continue to recover overall. The West Texas Intermediate crude oil market will also have to deal with quite a bit of noise just above, especially near the $75 level. The $75 level, of course, is a large, round, psychologically significant figure, but it's also an area where we would expect to see a lot of options traders get involved. Short-term pullbacks are more likely than not going to be buying opportunities given enough time. However, if we were to break down below the $71.50 level, then we could go looking towards the $67.50 level, which would be a significant drop, but also an area where you would see significant support. Looking at the Brent market, it's very much the same story. And it looks like we are trying to break higher, but I think you're going to run into a bit of trouble near the $79 level and, of course, the $80 level. If we were to turn around and break down below the $75 level on the downside, then the $72.50 level would more likely than not end up being massive support. We are getting pretty close to the lows of the overall range, and therefore I think you are starting to see a lot of value hunting coming back into the market. Furthermore, you have to keep in mind there are still plenty of geopolitical tensions in the Middle East that keep oil somewhat elevated. On the other hand, there are a lot of growth fears out there, and as long as that's the case, demand for oil could shrink, and that, of course, will be priced into the market. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.